Alright, here we go. Here's the final finished product after all that. So I've got it in the sun here. So I've spray painted the tipper tray. Now you can see how badly corroded it was. It's actually even got a pit hole there, but I got the wheels back on alright, cleaned up the plastic, and I'll just show you underneath how we joined the axles together. You may remember I just cut them apart. So I've just Loctited them together, screwed them in, and tipper all works nicely. So there you go, one restored Tonka truck. Job done.